Hello students, welcome back to today's session. Today we are going to discuss the question from textbook. So you open your textbook and take page number 73. And you have to mark the answers in textbook only. It's not possible for you to draw these figures in notebook and to do. So solve this question means mark these questions answers in the textbook itself. Okay, the question is, which shapes are divided into two mirror halves by the dotted lines? Here, 15 figures are given. 15 shapes are given. You have to see which of these figures are divided into two mirror halves. Here, not exactly symmetry asked. Mirror halves means the color also you have to see. Mirror halves by the dotted line. See, first figure, the dotted line is in the horizontally given. Here you can see the dotted line. This dotted line divides into two symmetrical halves, but color will not be the same. So we cannot take this figure as the mirror half of the other one. Okay, you can see that shape-wise, it is symmetrical. But if we see the color, it will not be symmetrical. So there you can put a cross mark. That means the first figure is not the mirror half. You cannot divide the first figure into two mirror halves. Second one also same only. Here the mirror is kept in this position vertically. And if we keep this part in the mirror, we will not be going to get the second part. So this also not the mirror half. Third one, see, third one, the line itself is not dividing the figure into two equal halves. You can see this part is bigger and this side is smaller. So it is also not the mirror half. Same, fourth one, the vertically the mirror is kept here. And here one side, left side is colored blue, but right side the color is not there. So it's also symmetrical figure, but we cannot say it as the mirror half as one side is colored and in the mirror reflection, the color will also come. So we cannot say it is the mirror half. Fifth figure, okay, fifth figure we will get the exact mirror half. So fifth figure can be divided into two mirror halves by this vertical division. So first answer is fifth one. First, second, third and fourth we will put cross mark only because they are not the exact mirror halves. Fifth one you can put a tick mark. Sixth figure also, see, along this line we can divide it into two mirror halves. Color also will look the same only. So sixth also will be the answer. Seventh one, okay, in seventh figure also the vertical line is given, and if we keep the mirror along this vertical line, we will be getting the exact reflection of the part left side part. So this also we can say will be a mirror half. So 5, 6 and 7 are the exact mirror halves. Eighth one also, yes, eighth one also horizontally the line is given. It also will be looking the exact mirror half of the other side. Ninth one, no, because it is not dividing even the figure into symmetrical halves, right? The down portion is smaller and upside portion is bigger, so it is not the mirror half. 10th one, if we look at the figure, you may think it is the mirror half, but if we consider the color, it will not be the mirror half, right? And in the mirror half, you will be seeing this part as the pink color and it will be looking green. So according to color, if we check, it will not be the mirror half. So here, 8 will be the mirror half, 9 and 10 are not the mirror halves. 11 also not the mirror half. Because here even it is not dividing into two symmetrical halves. 12th one, you can see if we keep the mirror here, and you are going to get the exact reflection of the left side upper part only, not the lower part. Upper part you will be able to see, and the lower part also will be looking in the mirror reflection, same like the upper part. So it is not the mirror half. 13, you see very carefully. If you look at the figure carefully, you can see that the horizontal line divides into almost the same two halves, but the tail part you see the tail part, it is not dividing exactly into two parts. So we cannot consider it as the mirror half because only because of the tail part. Remaining all the parts are exactly divided into two identical parts. But if we consider the tail part, it is not dividing into two equal halves. So I have not taken 13 as the exact mirror half. 14, no, only a small portion is left behind and you are not going to get the exact mirror half. 15th one, okay, the horizontally, sorry, the vertically the line is given and this vertical lines divides the figure into two mirror halves. So, which shapes are the exact mirror halves? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 15. This many shapes show the exact mirror halves. Some more shapes like a 10, 10, 1, etc. They are symmetrical, but if we check the color, they are not looking like the exact mirror half, so I have not included them. Okay, the answer is given in the next slide. You don't have to write this answer in the notebook, only mark in textbook. Shape 5, 6, 7, 8 and 15 can be divided into two mirror halves by the dotted lines. Okay, children, we will move ahead. Now it is a question from page number 74. Here is the picture of a dog. You can place a mirror on the dotted line, then a part of the dog to the right of the line will be hidden behind the mirror. What will you see like this? See, this is an example given with the answer. If we keep the mirror vertically along this part, in the mirror half, you are going to get a figure like this. Okay. And the second part, which part will be hidden? If you keep the mirror this way, the right side of the figure will be hidden. It is the example shown. Now on this basis, you have to solve the remaining questions. See, look at the figure. Here two dotted lines are given, one vertically and one horizontally. Here our question is, on which of the dotted line you will keep the mirror so that you will get the shape B. For getting the shape B, on which dotted line you have to keep the mirror, whether it is to be kept on the vertical line or horizontal line. For that, what you will do, you just divide this figure B into two identical halves, two exact halves. See, just you see the movement of the pointer. If you keep the mirror in this position only, you are going to get the mirror reflection like the right side. And for getting such a mirror reflection, you have to keep the mirror in the along the vertical dotted line. So you have to keep the mirror on the vertical dotted line so that we will get a mirror image like this. Okay. Now second question, which part, if we keep the mirror on the vertical line, which part will be hidden? The right side of the figure will be hidden because we are keeping the mirror here and so we cannot see the right side of the figure. These types are little difficult for you to understand, I know. Now next, some more figures are given and you have to find out in what way we have to keep the mirror for getting the answer given here. See, this is C figure. And for getting such a mirror half or a mirror reflection, what way you have to keep the mirror? That is the question. For that, we have to see the reflection. Mirror reflection is this. You try to divide it into two exact halves. If we keep this figure into two exact halves, see movement of the pointer. This way we can divide. So this is the part. Then this figure divides into two parts, left side and right side. You take the left side. And then which part of this figure is matching with the left side of the answer that you have to see. It is the answer and the left side of the answer you take. For taking the left side, you have to Divide this figure exactly into two identical parts. In that, left side will be matching with the, see, this part of the figure, this part. For getting such a mirror reflection, we have to keep the mirror along the sea, and I have given the answer along the side. See here. This way, if we keep the mirror, we are going to get such a mirror reflection or a mirror half. Now, second one, see, it is the answer. For getting such a figure, in which part of this figure D, we have to keep the mirror. See the reflection, we can divide this way, right? See the movement of with the pointer only, I can explain this question, children. You have to observe the movement of the pointer. And this way, if we keep the mirror, this way we keep the mirror, we can get such a figure. And that part, then left side of the part pointer you take, left side of the pointer shows, see, here this position you have to keep the mirror for getting such a mirror reflection that I have taken here. See this way, see this movement of the pointer only. If we keep the mirror in this line, we can get a reflection like this. Same way here, consider E. This is the figure of the dog, and we want to get the mirror reflection like this. So what way we have to keep the mirror? That is the question. And here only the top portion. See here, this part only. We can divide it into two equal halves by this line. Okay, that means this part of the figure. See this part. See here, if we keep the mirror in this line, we will get a mirror reflection like a what is given in E. And the next one is a figure of the dog, and our reflection gives such a figure. Here the exact half. We have to take the right side as the question here. Right side half. This is given in the question, and this is the reflection. So here we will keep the mirror along this line. See, this is the figure, and if we keep the mirror along this line, we will get a reflection as we can see in this figure. Children, this is the question from page number 75. I think you have understood it. Now next day we will be meeting with the next portion. Bye.